The Vishnu Purana centers on a single theological idea. Vishnu preserves cosmic order. When imbalance grows, the Purana says Vishnu restores harmony by taking incarnation. These manifestations are called avatars. In this episode, we examine what an avatar is, how the Purana maps incarnations into the cycles of time, and why these episodes matter for human life. First, an avatar is not merely a mythic hero. The Purana frames avatars as structural interventions. When dharma weakens and adharma increases, Vishnu incarnates in a form suited to correct the imbalance. That form can be cosmic, animal, human, or hybrid, depending on the problem to be solved. The Purana distinguishes kinds of incarnation. One common distinction in Purana literature is between full incarnation and partial incarnation. A full incarnation is a complete descent of divinity into embodied life. A partial incarnation is an expression of some aspect of the divine that acts within a limited role. The Purana uses these categories to explain why some avatars transform the whole culture while others intervene briefly to correct a specific wrong. How are avatars placed within time? The Purana associates major incarnations with the Yuga cycles and with larger Manvantara rhythms. Classic mapping that the Vishnu Purana affirms in varying passages highlights this pattern. For example, Rama is linked to Treta Yuga as the exemplar of righteous kingship. Krishna belongs to Dvapara Yuga as the teacher who reconfigures duty through wisdom and compassionate action. At the end of Kali Yuga, the Purana foretells a future restoring figure who will re-establish order. The Purana also includes a longer list of divine forms that meet specific needs at particular times. Early interventions often take non-human shapes to rescue the world from catastrophic imbalance. Matsya, the fish, preserves sacred wisdom and seeds during a great flood. Kurma, the tortoise, supports the churning of the cosmic ocean so that life and the nectar of immortality can be produced. Varaha, the boar, lifts the earth when it is submerged. Narasimha, the man-lion, appears to destroy a tyrant whose austerity has turned into terror. Each of these forms answers a technical crisis in the cosmos rather than merely offering a moral parable. Later incarnations take more social and ethical roles. Vamana, the dwarf, humbles imperial arrogance by clever restraint and preserves the freedom of gods and humans. Parshurama battles corrupt kshatriyas to restore balance. Rama embodies royal dharma and ideal conduct. Krishna in Dvapara reinterprets duty through the Bhagavad teaching and through enacted life. The Purana presents these avatars as corrective instruments deployed at the right point in the cyclic clock. Functionally, the avatars are threefold. They restore dharma, protect the faithful, and instruct humanity in the practices appropriate to that age. In higher ages, the practice may be direct meditation and natural virtue. In ages of decline, the Purana emphasizes accessible practices such as mantra, devotion, and ethical restraint. An avatar often models the method that works in that yuga. One important nuance: the Purana does not reduce avatars to historical biographies alone. The narratives are theological tools that teach what the society needs to learn. Rama is not only a king of a past age, he is an archetype of ordered rule. Krishna is not only a coward, he is a teacher of complex duty in a plural world. The Purana layers literal storytelling with symbolic instruction. Finally, note the Purana's eschatological promise. Kali Yuga ends with a future restoration. The text anticipates a final corrective being who ends the cycle of decline and primes the next rising age. The avatar cycle is thus part of a larger teleology. Periodic decay invites corrective descent, which leads to renewal. In the next episode, we begin a sequence of close readings of major avatars. Episode 6 opens with Matsya, Kurma, and Varaha, examining the textual verses, their symbolic grammar, and the precise problems each form addresses in Purana cosmology.